Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Yunita Eka Rahmawati. I'm a midwifery student of Stikes 45 dalam Studi Slawi. Now, I will give you simple explanation about the required to cough and sneeze. I make this video to fulfill my final task of English. So, happy watching and wish me luck. Coughing or sneezing is actually a key for us because coughing or sneezing is the body's mechanism in removing the presence of foreign matter entering the upper respiratory tract, such as dust, viruses, bacteria, and allergies. The requirements to cough and sneeze are: the first, cover your mouth and nose with a tissue when you cough or sneeze. The second, put your used tissue in the waste basket. The third, if you don't have a tissue, cough or sneeze into your upper sleeve or elbow, not your hand, so that sneezing or coughing does not spread too much into the air. The fourth, wash hand often with soap and warm water for 20 seconds. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand rub. The fifth, you may be asked to put on a face mask to protect others. My advice is to protect health education counseling to people about how the required to cough and sneeze, so that when we cough or sneeze, it can be protected. As we know that when coughing or sneezing, we can spread germ in thousands to millions into the air, and as some people around us inhale air that already contain germ due to coughing or sneeze. Therefore, to avoid this, the ethics of coughing or sneezing are things that must be applied to everyday life. Well, that's all my explanation about the required to cough and sneeze. Hopefully, it is useful and can be practiced for you all. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Summer